Samsung has finally started rolling out One UI 7, but as always, there's a catch. It's only coming to the latest flagship devices for now. If you're using anything older or outside of the premium category, you'll be waiting a while longer. After several delays, the rollout has officially kicked off in Europe, and Samsung is following a very specific schedule, starting with its newest models. As confirmed, the Galaxy S24 series is the first in line to receive the One UI 7 update. Alongside the S24, Samsung is also updating the Galaxy S23 series to Galaxy S24 FE, the Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and even the Z Fold Special Edition. Surprisingly, last year's foldables, the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5, are also getting the update this April, as well as the new Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 Ultra. That's a solid list if you bought a flagship recently, but if you're on a slightly older model or using a mid-range Galaxy device, you'll need to wait until at least May or even June. Samsung recently shared the full update timeline for South Korea, and while that doesn't always match other regions exactly, it often gives us a pretty accurate picture of what to expect. Here's what's coming in May. Devices scheduled for a May rollout include the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, the Galaxy Tab S9 series, and the more budget-friendly Galaxy S23 FE. Older foldables like the Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 also make the May list, showing that Samsung hasn't forgotten them entirely. Several mid-range and older flagship models are also lined up for the May update. These include the Galaxy S34 and A35, the entire Galaxy S22 series, the Galaxy Tab S8 series, and even the Galaxy S21 lineup. Samsung is also updating the Galaxy S16, as well as some regional-specific models like the Galaxy Quantum 4 and 5. Then in June, the update reaches even more budget and mid-range models. This batch includes the Galaxy A53, A33, A25, A24, and A15. Other devices set to receive the update in June include the Galaxy Quantum 3, Galaxy Jump 2 and 3, Galaxy Buddy 3, and a number of tablets like the Tab S9 series, Tab Active 5, Tab Active 4 Pro, and Galaxy Wide 7. Now let's be honest, while it's great that Samsung is offering the update to a wide range of devices, the staggered rollout is definitely frustrating for users who have been waiting months. It's not like One UI 7 was a surprise. It's been in development for a while, and Samsung fans had high expectations. Delaying it multiple times and now making non-flagship users wait another month or two doesn't exactly sit well. In fact, many users feel this delay is a bit of a slap in the face. Samsung has been positioning itself as one of the leaders in Android updates, and while the company still supports more devices than most other brands, the slow and selective rollout of One UI 7 shows there's still work to be done. Users with perfectly capable phones are being left behind, not permanently, but still longer than they should be. And keep in mind, these are just estimated timelines for South Korea. Of the newer foldables, consider yourself lucky. The update should hit your device in April, but for everyone else, it's going to be a waiting game. Let's just hope Samsung sticks to its current schedule and doesn't push things back again. And hey, if you're planning to hold onto your device for another year or two, the good news is that at least you're still getting One UI 7. It's just a shame that the excitement is dulled a bit by the long rollout process. Whether you're getting the update this month or months later, let us know in the comments which device you're using and when you expect to see One UI 7 hit your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung updates and mobile news.